Hey folks, this is Mike White with Sharpen Right Services out of League City, Texas, and today we're going to sharpen some Gingher sewing scissors. We have a couple different pairs of them here. We're going to sharpen them for one of our sewing ladies, and hopefully she'll be really happy. They're not cutting very well, and I'll demonstrate that here in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it very much. Okay, here's our 3 pairs of scissors we're going to sharpen this morning. I'm going to test them first and see how they're cutting, and then this is before sharpening, and then we'll test them again afterwards. Here's a really old pair of scissors here. And they just will not cut. You can see they're hanging up, so we're going to try to fix those. Here's a fairly new pair of scissors. This is Ginghers. This is the sewing lady's favorite scissors out there. I see more of these than anything else. And see, they're just not cutting well either. They're very rough and they won't cut through the tip. So let's see if we can fix those. Here's another pair of short Ginghers. See that right there? It's very rough. They cut, but they're just not cutting well. So anyway, we're going to give them a try. Okay, we sharpened the first pair here, so let's try them out and see how they're cutting. Like butter. All the way back there through the tip, all the way through the tip. Very good. So that's the first pair. We're done. Okay, now that we've finished sharpening the scissors, let's see how they're cutting now. How about that? Those are cutting fantastic. All right, here's the really old pair. Lady said they belonged to her grandmother. So I always worry about these old ones. Look at that. Oh. Beautiful. Cut like butter.